Hello. So what I did is I made a folder and just named it resources, and I put all of the folders that you had already made, Vince, into that folder. So the way the new It's Learning Modern View display is configured is there's only a handful of things that you can set up as the landing page for your students. You can use this overview page, which is the default as the landing page, or you can use any folders or any pages and notes that you have created as your landing page. Unfortunately, you can't use a whole resource tab like what you would ask to do as your landing page for your students, but what you can do is instead create a folder, and then it has all of those resources from your resources tab within it. So it's kind of a workaround to that. We just added one additional layer to it. So what I'm going to do is show you what that looks like. I'm going to set up the folder as the official start page for your course. If you ever wanted to change the settings, you'll go to More and Settings, Course Properties and Features, and you scroll a little bit further down the page, and right here under Functions there's a button that says Choose Start Page, and this is where we can decide that. If you notice, I don't have all of these different options visible. I can only pick certain things as my start page. And the resources that's listed right here, that's the folder I made called resources. Otherwise, the only things we would see is start page or the e-learning link. So we'll pick resources, scroll down to the bottom and click save. So now what I'm going to do is click out of your class and show you how it's set up instead. So courses menu, there's your course. So now this is what your students are taken to. They're taken to this folder that I made called resources. And they can open the folder on the sidebar and see everything there, otherwise they are already taken there. So what you can do is you can keep it like this if you want them to be able to access these folders at any time. If you ever add anything and want them to be able to see it, make sure you add it within this resources folder that I created so they can still see it. Otherwise, they'll have to do some clicking around and could get lost. Another option for you, if you don't like this layout, is I'll show you an example. You can actually create a page as your start page as well and then link to different things. So I'm going to show you an example of that in case that's what you want to do. So what this teacher did is she wanted to create a look that was similar to the It's Learning View of the past. So she made a page just by doing Add, Show All, and created a page. And then she set that up as her start page for her students, and she can link different elements to this. So she can link to anything that's in her folder if she wanted to. That might take a little bit more work, but the option's there if you want it. I'm going to link those instructions onto the email I sent you so you can see both options, and if you need help, I'm happy to stop by